Hey YouTubers, this is Off-Centered Potter coming at you, and this is a brown bowl I threw earlier today, and I'm going to show you how I changed it from this into this. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the brown bowl that I threw earlier. It's had some time to set up, and for my supplies I'm going to need just a different color clay. This is a B mix clay. And obviously you see I've got a plaster slate there to work on, and I'm just flattening out the ball of B-mix clay and rolling it out onto the plaster. And I want to get it to be as thin as possible, so thin in fact that I almost can't work with it. I just want it to be really, really thin. So I keep doing that. And then to speed up the drying process, now that I've got my pieces of rolled out clay, I'm just going to use a heat gun. And the idea here is that I want to get this clay as dry as I can. I want it to be bone dry. And the reason I want it bone dry is because I don't want it to be flexible. When I put it on the bowl, I want it to break where the bowl bends. That'll give us an interesting effect. So as you can see here, I'm using the heat gun. I've just about got this to where it's bone dry, and the next thing we'll do is apply it to the bowl. Okay, so I'm spraying this down with water so the white clay will stick, and then I'm just going to start on one side and just apply the pieces one at a time. I'm going to be sure that I'm keeping my hands clean because I don't want to get brown fingerprints on the white clay or white fingerprints on the brown clay. Just doing that very carefully, working my way across. And as I do that, you can see what I got going here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some slip to the piece. So here in a minute I'm going to get the wheel moving a little bit faster. And I've got some slip and a squirt bottle. I'm just going to put that on and be done with it. And when this fires, the gray slip and the white clay will be the same color. It'll give me a lot of opportunities for different glazes. And here's the finished product. So until next time, YouTubers, adios.